How to unlink YouTube from PSN account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can unlink YouTube from PSN account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you have to head over to PlayStation.com through our browser. Once you're here, make sure to sign in into your PS account or PlayStation account. So once you're signed in, if you're signed in, head over to your profile at the top right corner. After that, you will find an option as account settings. Tap on account settings. Once you tap on account settings, then you'll be taken into next interface where you can find an option as linked services. Tap on it. Now under your linked services, you will find your YouTube account if you have linked your YouTube on your PS5 account. Tap on YouTube and on the next prompt, you will find an option to unlink it. Tap on unlink, follow the on-screen instructions, and now your YouTube will be unlinked from your PSN account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.